डायरी एंट्री. What is a diary entry? वैसे तो डायरी एंट्री यू हैव डन इन द 7th क्लास ऑल्सो, बट देन ऑल्सो अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू what is the diary entry. Diary entry is a personal journal in which we write our day-to-day experiences. Diary entry is always personal diary, and in which we record, in which we write our own experiences, our own emotions, feelings about what is happening around us or what is happening in the world. Diary entry means every person has his or her own personal diary, and in that diary the person record his or her day to day experience, what is happening around him or her or in the world, कि उसके आसपास क्या हो रहा है, उसके बारे में उस पर्सन की क्या फीलिंग्स हैं. So for writing a diary, which language should be used? As I told you, diary is always personal. So the language should also be personal. Diary entry is a personal thing. So the language which we use to write the diary, that should also be personal or informal, so that it can be understood easily. Have you understood? कौन सी लैंग्वेज में डायरी लिखनी चाहिए? It should be written in the personal or informal language because it is a personal thing. So length. Usually you people ask कि ma'am how many words we have to write in the notice, in diary entry, in letter or paragraph writing. So about the diary entry, there is no fixed length. It can be anything from a single line to several paragraphs. Diary can be written in only single line or it can be more than one para. But if you are writing the diary in the examination or for any test, it should have a definite word limit. According to the exam, it has been told. As it is said that ki write a diary entry in about 50 words, then you have to complete up the thing only in 50 words. So if you are writing really diary entry about your feelings and emotions for your personal use, then it has no length. And now one more thing I will tell you about the diary entry, that is preparation for writing diary entry. Before writing diary entry, we should make some preparations. If we start writing without any thinking, then in between we will be writing and thinking and writing and thinking. No. Firstly, make the preparations. Before doing any work, we firstly do the preparations. Same thing happened in the diary entry. We have to make the preparations. What type of preparations? Before writing, think what you want to write. लिखने से पहले सोचो कि हमने लिखना क्या है. Then make a list of the questions which are coming in the mind कि we have to write this, that. So write all the questions and then write short answers to those questions. जो mind में questions आते हैं उनके answers लिखो. It will make your diary very much effective. What I told you, preparation for writing diary entry. Diary entry की क्या क्या preparations हैं. Means before writing the diary entry, we have to make some preparations. Before writing, think. लिखने से पहले सोचो क्या, what you want to write, तुम्हें क्या लिखना है. Then make a list of questions and then write short answers to those questions. Firstly, make a list of questions. जो भी questions आपके mind में आ रहे हैं, आप उसके सारी एक लिस्ट बना लोगे. After that, उन questions के answers लिखने हैं. Why? It help you to write a perfect diary. अगर आप बिना सोचे समझे डायरी लिखना बैठ जाओगे, यू डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया, यू डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस, एनी फीलिंग्स और एनी इमोशंस, यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग टू राइट अबाउट, तो हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल दैट यू विल बी एबल टू राइट द डायरी एंट्री. दैट्स वाई बिफोर राइटिंग वी हैव टू थिंक, मेक द क्वेश्चंस एंड द आंसर्स so that our diary can be perfect. So which type of questions we have to frame? How was the day? Usually we write, dear diary, do you know it was a very good day, it was a bad day. These type of questions. How was the day? Firstly you have to think कि about which day you are writing the diary. How was that day? वो day दिन कैसा था आपके लिए. Whom did you meet? आप उस दिन किसको मिले. For the particular day, if you are writing, do you know diary, today I met my best friend, today I met my uncle, today I met my grandmother, grandfather, such type. What happened on that day? Which day? अबाउट विच पर्टिकुलर डे यू आर राइटिंग द डायरी यू हैव टू थिंक कि उस दिन हुआ क्या था. इट मे बी a good day, it may be a bad day also. So how you are feeling? So about that day what are you feeling? आपकी feelings क्या हैं? Means कि the day if it was a good day then you are really very happy, your feelings are good. And if your day was not so good, so your feelings cannot be so good. Then how to address the diary. अब अपनी डायरी को कैसे एड्रेस करते हैं, उसको कैसे बुलाते हैं, संबोधित करते हैं. यू मे लाइक टू एड्रेस योर डायरी लाइक यू एड्रेस अ क्लोज फ्रेंड. जैसे आप अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड को एड्रेस करते हो ना, यू कैन एड्रेस योर डायरी इन दैट वे ऑल्सो. डियर डायरी, हम फ्रेंड को कहते हैं ना, डियर फ्रेंड, डियर राम, डियर मीना, नीना. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू एड्रेस योर डायरी ऑल्सो. Or you can give a name to your diary, dear, then any name, and sign off with bye, see you later, good night. Or you can say bye dear diary, talk you later, good night. Now I am telling you layout of the diary. Layout. For the layout, first of all, day, date, टाइम ऑफ डायरी. सम राइटर्स डोंट राइट, मीन्स कई राइटर्स जो हैं वो डायरी का टाइम मेंशन नहीं करते, बट डे एंड डेट शुड बी रिटन. देन इन द सेकेंड कॉलम, सैल्यूटेशन, डियर डायरी, हेलो, हाई, और यू कैन गिव एनी नेम ऑल्सो टू योर डायरी. देन इन द थर्ड लाइन, अ टाइटल अबाउट विच डे और विच थिंग यू आर राइटिंग. सो इट्स ऑप्शनल, नॉट मैंडेटरी कि आपको लिखना ही लिखना है. This is the body. Here the content is written. What you want to express. आप अपनी डायरी के अंदर कौन सी फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो. You have to mention your feelings, your experiences and events, whatsoever you want to write, that is written in this body. After that, leave taking expressions जैसे good night, talk you later, see you later, goodbye. At last, name or signature. Name or signature, I think so no need to ask कि किसका नाम और signature है. Whose diary it is? It's my personal diary. So obviously my own name or my signatures will be there. I think so you have understood the layout of the diary. Layout, date, day, time, then salutation. Date, time and salutation. So what is not compulsory? Time. Then salutation, dear diary. After that, title is optional. If you want to mention you can, otherwise no need. Salutation, dear diary, or hi, or hello diary, or you can give any name to your diary. After that, body. In the body you have to mention what you want to express. Leave taking expressions पे see you later, goodbye, good night, and after that you have to mention your sign or signature. Thank you.